Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for checking by. So after the last ride that I went for another waterfall, so today I'm going to go to another waterfall. This is nearby Tirupattur district, but it's border between Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So there's no specific name for this waterfall. It's gonna be not one but two waterfalls. It's gonna be at a minimal distance. So I'm gonna go there and I'm just gonna continue forward. Thank you. Wow, look at that. So from there is where we have come up. I think we have to go a little bit up, I guess. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so as usual Google Maps have confused the route. So whichever place it showed is not the actual one. I have to come even more further, about like 6 to 10 kilometers. So I've been asking local people here to guide me through, and I hope it's the correct waterfall, because as this waterfall does not have a name, it's really confusing, or it's really hard to ask which waterfall or how many waterfalls are there. So as far as I've asked, they said there is one within this route that I'm going right now. So I'm gonna go and reach, and then I'll continue with my log. Alright guys, so after asking a lot of local people, I have finally reached the route that actually goes to the waterfall, which is kind of off-road. So from the main road there's a gate, if you see. So right after gate we have to take a left. So I'll see if I can put that in the map. If not guys, the best option for you is to ask the local guys and reach out here. So yeah, let's start. Let's go check with the local light down below. ఇక్కడ వాటర్ ఫాల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది తెలుసా? ఎక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఎట్లా పోవాలా? పోలీసా? ఎవరు? నేనా? నేను పోలీస్ కాదు. వాటర్ ఫాల్ చూసేకి. Okay guys, so after talking to those little dudes, another cop came. I guess he's a forest officer or something. So he said do not go too far, so it's very slippery. Since I'm going alone, I have to be really careful. So he said not to go further, so just go nearby, do not go down and come back. So I'm quite not sure if this is the same waterfall that I plan to come. It's the other one. Maybe it's a different route that I have to go. or if that isn't possible, then I have to maybe go next time. There's two routes. Okay, there's someone there. That's how I'm supposed to get here. Let me keep this down. Okay, so I think it's another one which I came for, but either ways I've come. So let me take some drone shots. So I'll stop this for a while. Oh, it closed. Okay. Wow.
అప్పుడు వాటర్ ఫుల్ ఇదంతా 7 గంట వాటర్ పడింది. బాడీ నేను ఎత్తుకొచ్చిన బ్రదర్. అయ్యో చూడి ఈ టువాలు చించి ఆ సెంటర్ లో లోయ ఉంది. ఇంత హైట్ ఉంటే ఇదే బ్రో వాటర్ ఫాల్స్. నీ పోలీస్ వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడిచ్చింది
అది తెలీదు బ్రో. అక్కడ ఉన్నారా ఏమో తెలియదు. వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు, పోలీస్ ఏమో తెలియదు. వాళ్ళు చిన్న పిల్లగా ఉండరు కదా, వాళ్ళు పోలీస్ అంటూ ఉంటారు. Alright, so I have taken few drone shots. I hope you enjoyed it. So I'm just trying to go to this mini waterfall, and let me just try to take a shot from there. Oh. Okay. Oh man, it's slippery. Look at it. Okay. It is too slippery. Nope. Whoa. Man, it's so simple. That's it for now. So if you guys have liked it, please give a thumbs up, and if you didn't like, please give a thumbs down, and probably share your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. So yeah, signing off now. Take care and bye bye.